Hey, how do you want your eggs? You want them cooked. You can't just say cooked. Oh no, my friends. To order eggs in English is quite a process. There are so many different ways you can order eggs. Come on. If you order your eggs sunny side up, that makes perfect sense. Okay, but here's the thing the egg is not flipped. The center, the yellow center, the yolk is bright. It's round and looks like yellow sun. The yolk is completely liquid. It is completely runny. How about if we cook your eggs over easy? Over easy? I love things that are easy. No, not like that. Sometimes they can be hard to make. Over easy means the egg is flipped over gently. It cooks just long enough to set the egg whites, but the yolk remains runny. Over easy. I love to dip my toast in those yolks. Over easy, not your thing? Okay, I get it. What about over medium? Over medium, yeah, they're flipped over and cooked slightly longer. The yolk is partially cooked, thick, soft, and gooey, but not completely liquid. Over medium. You don't want that yolk gooey at all. You want over hard. Over hard, the egg is flipped and cooked until the yellow yolk is completely solid. It's hard and fully broken. No liquid at all. The yolk's solid and the whites are all cooked through. Over hard. Got it? Okay, you don't want fried eggs, you want scrambled eggs, where we mix them all up in the pan and scrambled. Scrambled eggs, cooked slowly over low heat. They are very fluffy and moist and a little bit wet, soft scrambled. Oh, that sounds so nice, doesn't it? You don't want any moisture, then you want hard scrambled. If you want your eggs scrambled with no moisture, you want hard scrambled. Cook longer until they are completely dry and firm. Hard scrambled. Some people like it that way. Not me. Hard scrambled. You don't want your eggs fried at all. You don't want your eggs um, scrambled. Okay, maybe you want poached eggs. Poached eggs. The egg is cracked directly into boiling water without the shell. It has a perfectly runny yolk hidden inside a pillow of egg white. This is what you get if you order eggs Benedict. That's for another lesson. But poached eggs, ooh, that one looks delicious. Maybe you want a boiled egg, but you don't want any yolk have any moisture at all. So then you have a hard boiled egg, hard boiled, cooked in boiling water inside the shell until both the egg whites and the egg yolks are completely solid. Hard boiled eggs. Great for snacks, great for salads. Hard boiled. Fun to say. Soft boiled. That's what that is. Soft boiled. Yeah, right there. It's cooked in boiling water inside the shell, but only for a few minutes. So the white is hard, but the yolk stays warm and liquid. So don't let it cook all the way through. You want a soft boiled egg. Keep it in the shell, boiling water. The yolk is young, runny, but the white is cooked. Oh, that's a tricky one. Why does English have so many different ways to order one little thing, the egg? I don't know, but it sure is delicious, and they are incredible, and they're very edible. Can you tell me what is your favorite way to get your eggs cooked? Do you like them fried? Do you like them over easy? Do you like them scrambled? Go on, tell me in the comments. Peace, friends.